Hey, I think I'm gonna buy some Crocs.
Cooking with your Asian friends.
Hello, and we're back.
Before cooking your meat, it's important that you...
Breathing
Shut it up, Snowball, you crazy!
So we part parade. Oh, hey, oh, hey.
That's exactly how, I mean, they have been doing that all morning.
Oh, hey, girl!
He's a brute, I admit. He was built like a brute too. You kind of expect that like Biff mentality from him.
Oh, look at
Who is that girl I see back at me?
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Pikachu?
Good job. High five. Okay.
Slow down. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall. Where's the catnip?
Well, hello, Mr. Kitty. Can I pet the kitty? Where's you going? Kitty, come back here, Mr. Kitty. Kitty, where you going? Oh, it's like you're my mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
Something tells me that he wants in.
Baby, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm. Girl, chill.
Get off me, you
Look at her try to get it. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Bro, I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit!
Say hi to everybody.
Boom, boom, boom. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your high love.
Spike loves his new hat.
What? How are you doing this?
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Say hi, little kitty.
Oh.
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
It's the kind of beat to go.